This is how you build. Wait, a scary face banner. So this is how. First, you get a loom. Then you get band. Then you get this, and then the paper. And then get and I except for the red one. I pick green. So place the loom, make this the green dye, and then replace it with this, and then this with this. This is how. Just get anvil. Just get anvil. And a name tag item. Oh no. And then and there you go. You have a scary face banner, and even the name is scary face banner. Share this with your friends on a survival world, and name it like this, and name it I see you. Name it this. Prank your friends, and when they pick it up, when they pick it up, they see it, and they see I see, and then prank them with other pranks. So soon. Actually, my butter squish was in half, so I'm not gonna post on my other channel because I don't also have that. I don't have the farm and more. I think